പ്രവാസികളുടെ മടക്കയാത്രയിൽ അനർഹർ ഇടം നേടുന്നില്ല എന്ന് ഉറപ്പാക്കുമെന്ന് ദുബായ് ഇന്ത്യൻ കോൺസുൽ ജനറൽ. ഇതിന് ആവശ്യമായ നടപടി സ്വീകരിക്കുമെന്നും കോൺസുൽ ജനറൽ വിപുൽ മീഡിയാവണിനോട് പറഞ്ഞു. മടക്കയാത്രയിൽ അർഹരായവർക്ക് ടിക്കറ്റ് ലഭിക്കാത്തത് മീഡിയാവൺ റിപ്പോർട്ട് ചെയ്തിരുന്നു. യുഎഇയിൽ നിന്ന് കൂടുതൽ വിമാനങ്ങൾ കേരളത്തിലേക്ക് അനുവദിക്കുമെന്നാണ് പ്രതീക്ഷയെന്നും വിപുൽ മീഡിയാവണിനോട് പറഞ്ഞു.
ദുബായ് ഇന്ത്യൻ കോൺസുൽ ജനറൽ വിപുലാണ് ഇപ്പോൾ നമ്മുടെ ഒപ്പം ഉള്ളത്. കൊച്ചിയിലേക്കുള്ള വിമാനം പുറപ്പെടാൻ പോവുകയാണ്. Vipul, how many passengers are going, and what is the breakup? How many pregnant women, how many old people can we have?
All 177 seats are going today. Once more, we have more than 30 pregnant women who are there on this flight together with their families. Then we have senior citizens as we have done in the past. And some medical cases, and then some workers. That is the general breakup. We do have many people who have come to the airport also today, hoping that there will be no shows and they will be able to go back to Kochi. We understand their situation. It's not easy for people who have medical cases or advanced pregnancies and who want to go back to India. But what I have assured all of them is that since they were on the wait list, they will surely be our first priority in the next flight. So overall, the process has once again gone on very smoothly. Dubai authorities have helped us in great way, both in terms of maintaining order at the airport and also the medical tests, the IgG, IgM tests that they have done. I want to assure everyone that we should hopefully get more flights in the next week, and that we are very careful in contacting people and taking in people who really have a compelling reason. They also have to understand that the Kerala community is very large here, and therefore not everyone will be accommodated in the first few flights. So I also seek the understanding from everyone that they have to be patient, but we are trying to do our best. We are getting several WhatsApp messages, several references from the community, and we are trying to accommodate as many people as possible. And next week for sure our effort will be to take in as many pregnant ladies, especially those in advanced pregnancies and medical cases, so that they can go back to Kerala. As of now, we don't have a schedule, but hopefully we should get a schedule soon.
What about the phase 2? We are getting any information about the phase 2 of?
So that is still in the planning stages in Delhi, and as soon as we get the information, especially for these people who are waitlisted here, we will immediately contact them and issue the tickets to them as soon as we get the scheduling.
And what are the measures we have taken to ensure only deserving people are going out now?
Well, we are taking care and we are going through our list very, very carefully. It's a difficult exercise because for Kochi itself, for example, we would have more than 30,000 registrations on in our database. And then going through each and every and we are not in a position, we don't also want to trouble people to come to the consulate or somewhere else to check their documentation. So we are really depending on the best sense of the people, best civic sense, that they should not take advantage of this situation, and only deserving people come forward. Whenever there is a deserving case which is brought to our notice by the community organizations, and we are in touch with almost everyone, we certainly try and take that person as well.
Thank you. അർഹരായവർ മാത്രമാണ് പോകുന്നതെന്ന് ഉറപ്പാക്കാനായി സംവിധാനങ്ങൾ ഏർപ്പെടുത്തിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. 30,000 പേർ കൊച്ചിയിലേക്ക് മാത്രം രജിസ്റ്റർ ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. അർഹർ മാത്രം യാത്ര ചെയ്യാൻ ശ്രദ്ധിക്കണം എന്നുള്ളൊരു ആഹ്വാനം കൂടി കോൺസുൽ ജനറൽ നൽകുന്നുണ്ട്. ദുബായ് വിമാനത്താവളത്തിനകത്തു നിന്നും എം. ഇർഷാദിനൊപ്പം ഷിനോദ് ഷംസുദ്ദീൻ, മീഡിയ 1.